So face it, very important thing, right? If you have a root, let's say root of n and m, let's say this is x, and they give you a 5. So if it's 5, what that means? If somebody say 5 means this is 5 over 1. 5 over 1 equals 5. It's the same thing. So if you say 5, it's like 5 over 1. So if you don't want to use a root, what you do is say, okay, so I'm going to write my x exactly what is in here, and then flip it. So it's going to be 1 over 5. That's how you should know. So if somebody give me, let's say, y, when there's no number, meaning there's a 2. If there's no number, meaning 2. So what is 2? 2 is over 1. So let's say y, 1 over 2. So if it's 3, let's say somebody give you this is m, and you give 2 over 5. So what that means? M, and then you flip it. So this is going to be 5.
3 or
See what I'm saying?
Yep.
You got it?
Yes.
Okay, so now take your question. So now the trick is another thing. If somebody gives, let's say 80, and they give k, and then they say power 3. Before we go for that question, I want you to make sure that you understand. So what you should do, make sure you split it. Mathematically, it's acceptable to split these two into two different numbers. So you say 3 power 80, and the second one, because all them is under 3. So we say also k is under 3. Why you want to do that? Because number you can plug in a calculator, which is easy. So you say, what is k? Is k when the 3 means over 1?
Over 1.
So I'm going to say, okay, I have my square root of 80 cube root, and this is going to be k, and then we flip it 1 over 3. So we find it. Okay. So just little rules, right? It's little rules. So another rule, whenever you have, let's say a power 2 times a power 3, when the base are the same, see the base are the same, but the power difference. So you only write only one base and then add the power. When you add, when there's a multiplication between, so you're going to say 2 plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So if somebody give me x power, let's say power 2, and they give me square root of x power 8. So you see, there's a difference here. Because this one is in power, but we have to change this into power. So I'm going to say, so 3 and 3 cancel. So we'll let you add. Now you come here, it's going to be, we take, you see, these top and the bottom are the same thing. But what happened? I mean, the power, base are the same. So you have a, okay, let's simplify this. It's going to be negative 1 over 2, and then multiply by x, just x alone, because this is power 1, which is x. So multiply that times by y. 4 over 3 is 4 over 3, and over, denominator is going to be y 2 times, it's going to be 2 over 3. So what happened now? The base are the same. If the base are the same in division, for example, somebody give x power 4 over x power 2. When the base are the same in division, you write only one x, you take the top power minus the bottom power. It's going to be 4 minus 2, which equals to x power 3 minus 2 over 3. And this is going to give us y is y, and then 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3, put in the calculator this, you're going to get 2 over 3. So when you put this together, it's going to give you y 2 over 3. So the question is done. But just one thing, excuse me, the question is done. So since the question is done, so you say 4 over 3 minus 3 equals to this. So the question is done. But just one thing, say 1 over 2, if it's in your multiple choice wherever, then you stop here, but you can simplify further. Say, okay, I could say y squared, here is x, y squared. But this time you say 1 over 3. And then I could take this out. So, okay, look, if somebody give you x, 1 over 5, what does that mean? This time you say x squared, and you flip it, it's going to become 5 over 1. Y, 1 over 3. So what that means is y, and you flip, it's going to be what? 3 over 1. So I'm going to do the same thing with y squared, 1 over 3. So this time you say, it's going to be negative a half x. So it's y squared, then we're gonna flip this power, which is gonna be 3 over 1. That's the final answer. Or you could say negative a half x, and then y squared power 3. It's the same thing. Or you can say under 2, meaning put this all under 2. Because if you say a half, m, meaning m over 2, the same thing. Thank you.